student of class 9. Welcome to our project. This is a clock. Well, this is not an ordinary clock. Well, you can see there are several patterns here. Well, the pattern is 1, then 4, then 8, 9, 27, and it continues. What is it? Actually, 1 square is 1. 1 cube is also 1. 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. Like this way, it continues. All the digits are written here, the square and the cube numbers. Now, this clock is easy to memorize all kinds of square and the cube numbers up to 12. So this will help the children to memorize, after which they will see the clock every time, they will watch this and will memorize this. Now come to our trigonometry model. Well, this trigonometry, for example, you have come to Qutub Minar. Now, in Qutub Minar, you do not know the height of this Qutub Minar building. Well, the height of the Qutub Minar. Well, by the use of trigonometry, that is angle of elevation and angle of declination, you can measure the height of Qutub Minar. Well, I have set it to 30 degree. Here it is 30 degree and the building is up to this. If I put it on power, so due to sunlight you cannot see it and it is focusing up to here. Now it is a distance of 15 centimeter and the angle is 30 centimeter. Now the formula of trigonometry used in this case is tan 30. The tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So the height of the building up to this level is 15 by root 3, which is approximately 15 by 2, which is 7.5 centimeter. Now with this trigonometric model, height and distance, you can easily calculate the height of any building if you know the distance and the angle at which you are watching the building. This is the application of trigonometry, height and distance. Thank you.